a precious resource that ensures our future. Life-giving water. GJR, Gyeongju's innovative and proprietary water treatment technology, safeguarding our environment from illnesses. A fundamental right for everyone that needs to be guaranteed to each and every one of us all, water. But across the globe, there are over 1 billion people who don't have access to fresh water. And as a result, every 8 seconds a child somewhere dies from waterborne diseases. Exposure to contaminated water spread waterborne illnesses among people. For the public, such unclean waters are a bigger threat than the devastations of war. An absolute necessity for life, water. To create a world that guarantees equal distribution of potable water for all of mankind is a basic welfare that we as humanity must strive to achieve. Gyeongju, a green city that balances people and nature, life and love. A city beyond being a world cultural heritage city. Gyeongju was the first self-governing city in Korea to establish a Clean Water Institute in 2012. Through preliminary surveys and continuous development of on-site technologies, in 2014, Gyeongju acquired its first domestic and international patent for wellspring technologies. And through innovative water treatment engineering, Gyeongju has now become a pioneering city, leading the water industry on a global front. The Gyeongju Rapidity, or GJR process, utilizes high-speed coagulation devices and microbubble coating methodologies together to quickly clarify wastewater during the flotation process, which is the primary treatment. The wastewater then undergoes a circulative ozone phase, which reduces what once took over 12 hours to process waste sewage down to 30 minutes, thanks to Korea's first innovative chemical physics processing. Unlike the standard chemical flocculation and coagulation wastewater treatment method, the spiral vortex inline rapid condensation system creates a turbulent current as well as a vortex that induces flocculation and coagulation in phases, of which prevents outside exposure, thereby drastically reducing foul smells considerably. The second phase includes a non-powered floc cohesion apparatus and the multi-stage partition-type flotation unit that induces the bombardment of floc, which improves cohesion and coagulation. It doesn't require agents nor additional energy costs, and since it is enclosed, maintenance becomes much easier. Wastewater that has undergone these two phases are then sent to microbatch feeder or MBF tanks. Here, suspended solids and organic matter are coated with ultra-fine microbubbles, which remain saturated in the bubble generator tanks as considerably more solids and organic matter rise to the top. And particles that haven't been removed yet from the first bubble generator tanks are then sent to a second and third bubble tank. This is the first preliminary treatment. The MBF is the multi-stage partition type where, unlike the standardized flotation equipment, has proven high flotation efficiency rates and as such boasts excellent yet stable and safe treatment of water. With the shortest treatment timetable, this means that the installation of the equipment takes up minimal space. The excellent treatment capabilities of the microbubble coating technology. Simple maintenance through chemical physics processes. The most optimal methodologies that saves costs involving chemical treatment and energy. And the flexibility of use towards water and sewage treatment. From wastewater treatment, controlled algal bloom, to clean water treatment. The Gyeongju Rapidity treatment process ensures that everyone has access to clean water and the values it brings. The Gyeongju Rapidity treatment process is shifting mainstream wastewater treatment methods, which take up a large footprint, to that of sustainable water treatment that take up a much less footprint, thereby changing the way we deal with wastewater treatment systems. Currently, wastewater treatment facilities located in Gyeongju's Daeheonri and Gampo-up's Daewonri use this method. In addition, this revolutionary treatment method was successfully exported for the first time to Jakarta, Indonesia's water treatment administration, for installation and operation. And with technology sharing to Indonesia's Surabaya, GJR has been recognized by the world for its superiority. With MOUs with Brazil's Sanepar in Parana, the world is turning its attention to the GJR treatment process as a proven success. The Gyeongju Rapidity Treatment process can be operated via a mobile-based one-touch control system, allowing for customized operation and maintenance. And in the case of emergencies, mobile rapid treatment vehicles and containers capable of removing algal blooms while treating waste sewage are continuously being developed and operated through research and development. From here on, the GJR treatment method will continue to adopt long-term master plan and become a model example of innovating the water industry among the global market. For the actualization of fair and balanced water welfare, GJR will protect the precious value of water and aid in illuminating new life and paths as the most eco-friendly way of treating wastes. The Green Gyeongju Rapidity Method is proudly opening new horizons through the world's most advanced technologies, ushering in security towards mankind's future.